This method can help answer key questions in the practical application of transition metal catalyst field, such as polymer science and pharmaceutical industries. We can produce ultra-pure product using this technology. The main advantage of this technique is that we can easily remove the homogeneous catalyst, which is difficult to do by using host-gas interaction.
The implications of this technique extend toward recyclable homogeneous catalysis because the catalyst removal method host-gas interaction is reversible. Though this method can provide insight into ruthenium metathesis catalyst removal, it can also be applied to other metal-containing catalysts such as palladium, platinum, copper, nickel, and gold catalysts. Visual demonstration of this method is critical as the synthesis procedure and homogeneous catalyst removal are difficult to learn because host gas catalyst removal is new.
First, dry a 25 milliliter round-bottom flask containing a magnetic stir bar, a 20 milliliter vial, and a spatula in an oven. Place 118 milligrams of imidazolium salt in a 4 milliliter vial. Place the prepared imidazolium salt, the dried glassware, a septum, and the spatula in a glove box chamber and vacuum for 2 hours. After completely removing the air in the glove box chamber, purge inert gas into the chamber. Then, move the imidazolium salt, glassware, septum, and spatula into the glove box.